Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're turning to my channel for the first time, this is Queen Anikky. You guys are welcome. I welcome my old subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a very big thumbs up if you enjoy this video. Guys, today I want to show you guys how to do protective hairstyle for your kids, for teenagers, and the name of the hairstyle is Concord. Oh my god, Concord hairstyle. So guys, this is how you achieve a Concord hairstyle. So make sure you achieve this lovely hairstyle on a clean hair. So after that, you part one big one to achieve brush parts, as you can see what I'm doing right here on your screen. So guys, you keep going, then after when you're done with the brush aspect, you repeat the same thing at the other side. Then when you're done, you begin to part the middle just the way I'm doing it. Please make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you won't miss any step of making this lovely hairstyle, as in Concord hairstyle. So after when you're done with this parting the middle, so you apply any of your favorite cream just to moisturize the scalp. So after that, you begin to cornrow the hair just the way I'm doing it. I keep saying it in all my videos, don't make it too tight. Just make sure you hold it firm, not too tight. And you keep going with this lovely hairstyle. So guys, note this: if you're doing short natural hair with this lovely style and you cannot be able to hold it, as in just to hold it one in a brush form. So this particular one that I braided in a brush form, so you can just do it two or three, tiny. But if the hair is long and is not too short, so you can use it to achieve this brush. So guys, that is how you keep going with this lovely hairstyle. As you can see, when you braid the first side of your left, you go to your right hand side, you repeat the same thing. So you keep going with this lovely hairstyle. So while making this back aspects, don't make the edges to start in a point to avoid painting of the skull. Are you getting me, guys? So make sure you section it in a form of zigzag, just the way I'm doing it, so that every the cutting will be more perfect. Are you getting me, guys? So that is how you keep going with this lovely hairstyle. Make sure it's not too tight and make sure you hold it firm. So that is how you keep going. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a very big thumbs up if you love this video and if this video is helpful, guys. So I try to bring back old school hairstyle for children, for teenagers, for kids. So guys, you will be able to see a lovely hairstyle to make for your children, for your loved ones when they are resuming back to school. So let me know in a comment section if you love this hairstyle. So guys, please share this video to your loved ones. Please share it to your loved ones. Share, please. Queen Anikky is begging you guys to share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. You can also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So guys, I'm done with this back aspect. I'm almost done, as you can see. So when you finish making the back aspect, you go to the front and you begin to section it. You section it to the side. Can you see? You cross your hand and then you bend it to the side so that the tips, the whole braid will come to the side. It won't be falling to your face or to your client's face or to your daughter's face. So as you can see, you repeat the same method of doing the back to this front aspect also. Just make sure you pay attention and watch it from the beginning to the end. And I believe you guys will love the outcome of this hairstyle Concord. Oh my god. This hairstyle make me to remind me when I was in school. This is my best hairstyle when I'm still in primary school and secondary school, guys. So let me know in a comment section if this video is helpful. Let me know, and if you have any hairstyle in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, please let me know in a comment section, guys, and let me know if this video is helpful. So that is how you keep going with this lovely hairstyle Concord, protective hairstyle, and it's called Concord. So that is how you keep going with this lovely hairstyle. Don't make it too tight and make sure you hold it firm. So for this brush aspect, you can actually add your eco styling gel if you really want the brush to be more smooth. So you can apply it, and if you don't want it, you can still hold it firm and the brush will look neat. As you can see, this one I'm making, I did not added anything to it and the brush came out well and neat. So guys, we are almost done with this hairstyle. As you can see, you use the same method of doing the back aspect. You apply the same method to the front. Just make sure the hair fall to the side. That's all. So we're almost done with this lovely hairstyle. As you can see, the hair is natural hair. You can achieve this lovely hairstyle on permed hair and natural hair. So guys, this is the last one I'm making here, as you can see. So we are done with this lovely hairstyle Concord. Wow, guys, can you see? Just let me know in the comment section if you love this hairstyle. Wow. So that is all about this hairstyle. And you see, you can actually add the attachment if you wish. But make sure if you're applying, if you're adding attachment, don't start with attachment. You start with the natural hair first before you added little. So this is the final look of the Concord hairstyle. So lovely, and it's very very easy to achieve. So guys, I really appreciate every one of you for your support, for your love. Thank you so much. I love you all. I really love you all. Please don't forget to subscribe and make sure you share this video to your loved ones. And I will see you on my next tutorial. Thank you very much. I love you all. Mwah, mwah.